I want to introduce you to my latest project, the Treeline Academy e-scouting MasterClass. Like most of you, the time I get to spend elk hunting is my most cherished and anticipated time of the year. As elk hunters, we're on a continual search for knowledge that will help us improve and elevate our skill set. And even more importantly, tactics that will help us find more elk. One of the driving forces behind the development of this course was the fact that I spent the first 2 decades of my elk hunting career traveling from Missouri out to the western states. Planning elk hunts, especially from the Midwest, was challenging, and it certainly still is. Today we have access to more and more information, but a comprehensive e-scouting system has not existed until now. The reality is that elk only inhabit a relatively small portion of the western landscape, and I believe e-scouting is a critical component when it comes to breaking down and evaluating hunt areas and finding locations that actually hold elk. This masterclass is a complete and comprehensive e-scouting solution. I designed this curriculum for both beginner and experienced public land DIY elk hunters. Over the past 3 decades, I've honed and refined my elk finding system. It's time to finally share that system. The strategies that I present in this course will give you a real advantage when it comes to planning your hunts, developing a strategic hunt plan, and it will ultimately improve your odds of finding more elk. I've been invited to talk e-scouting tactics on several of hunting's best podcasts, including The Rich Outdoors and Eastman's Elevated. This past year, I presented a summary version of this course at the Western Hunting Summit, hosted by the giant killer himself, Ryan Lampers. His hunting summits are spectacular, and I'm honored to be presenting e-scouting tactics at both elk hunting summits this year. For the past several years, I've been blessed to live in the Big Sky state of Montana with my incredibly hunt-tolerant wife, 2 kids, and my horde of pack llamas. I know that I'm incredibly blessed to be able to spend so much time each year chasing elk in multiple western states. In fact, in most years, my llamas and I will chase elk in 3 or more states and spend more than 60 days in the backcountry. I could not begin to hunt the states and the remote places that I do without a significant e-scouting skill set. I use the same tools and techniques in this course to evaluate my hunt areas and to develop my annual strategic hunt plan. Hunting elk the way I have over the past 30 years has given me a very unique perspective. Like I said earlier, I approach e-scouting as a complete and comprehensive system, and I've spent 3 decades designing and refining this system. In this course, I will leave no stone unturned. I will show you every e-scouting technique that I use to find my elk hunting spots. The online course is under development now. You can sign up below to receive my latest e-scouting article, Stacking Elk Hunting Odds in Your Favor. You'll also receive the full course outline and curriculum. This will also put you on the list to receive the introductory early bird discount code. I hope you will subscribe to the Treeline Pursuits YouTube channel and that you'll follow me on Instagram. I will be posting more content as the course progresses and as we get closer to the launch date. I've always been focused on helping the DIY public land elk hunter, and I'm excited to launch this course.